On login screen, we are having connect your wallet button, which is using wallet connect to connect our wallet to the application. Once the application is connected to the wallet, the pop-up will appear, which will ask for the name. The name will be stored in the asynchronous storage, and later on, whenever you want to change it, you can change it from here. And this particular QR code is generated using the name and wallet address of the user. So in my case, it is my wallet address and my name, which is Manan Kevadia. And let's say I want to, over here you can manually add a contact by adding wallet address and the name, but other users are also having this QR code, so you can simply scan their QR code and add their wallet address to your contact like this. Here the wallet address and the name are auto-filled from the data received from QR code. Upon adding, you can see that a contact named her has been added to my contact book. Then we are having all these pods which are shared, which are created by me, and in this tab we will have all the pods which are shared with me. So there are pod owners and pod members. This particular tab includes the pods for pod members, and these are the pods whose pod owner is me. Basically, my wallet address is mentioned as the pod owner of these pods. And create pod, we have name and description, share with, and file. So name of the pod, let's say build it Polygon, and let description pods. So let's say I want to share it with hers. Confirm files. Over here we will select all the files we want to share with hers. So I want to share this, 3 files. Done. All these files selected will then be hosted to the IPFS, and the received URLs will then be stored in another JSON file, which will include all the URLs along with the name of the pod and description of the pod, which will then again be hosted on the IPFS. On submitting the create button, our smart contract will be called, where we would be asked to make a transaction. Upon the success of the smart contract, the pod will be added to the list of pods we have seen earlier. So the transaction we made was successful, and the pod is added to our pod list now. The title is build it Polygon, and the description is pods. File shares are this. We can view these files in our browser by simply clicking upon them. And the members with whom this pods is shared is Hirsch.